Well, I couldn't figure out a better way for you to get the message. Luckily, fortune cookies are infallible to you humans. Sings pet me only with thine eyes, and I shall purr with mine. Cozy comfort to recharge. Priorities! No need to explain. You can have both if you want. No, it wasn't. It was delivered directly to the owner. What I want to come back as in my next life, a much-loved and very spoiled house cat. Ours would pee in our suitcase if we left it open and unattended. He didn't like being left at home. Balzac, of course.